like swimming across the Nile or something.
Nope, this isn't Egypt. The next stop on our tour of extreme pools brings us to Miami, Florida, a city known for nightlife, beaches, and of course, pools. And here at the Icon Brickell Viceroy Hotel, we found 3 pools that all together make up the longest pool complex in the entire country.
I saw it from the plane actually, and I couldn't believe that we were coming to this pool. It's just, it's overwhelming.
When some of the best architects in the world today came to see it, and they were saying, this will never be repeated again.
Conceived by famed designer Philippe Starck and opened in 2008, this enormous pool deck, consisting of a reflection pool, hot tub, and lap pool, is an eye-popping 300 feet long. That's longer than a city block. Altogether, this supersized pool holds a total of 300,000 gallons of water. So you know no swimmer will be left high and dry. First up, the reflection pool. It's used for a lot more than lounging around, because there are actual tables set up in the water where guests can order gourmet food and cocktails. Now you don't have to wait 30 minutes to go in the water after you've eaten.
We can have lunch actually in the pool. We don't ever have to go anywhere.
Which is fantastic, you know, because in the heat here, actually eating on the water, it makes it much cooler.
But Icon didn't stop there. Because next up is a 38 by 35 square foot hot tub, one of the largest in the world. So you better believe there's room to relax. Yup, this bad boy holds up to 80 people. That's about 10 times more people than a standard hot tub.
When I saw this, I actually thought it was a kiddie pool. I didn't even believe that it was a hot tub because it's so huge. You can easily have a party here with all of your friends.
But the hot tub's a literal drop in the bucket compared to the mother of all pools. Without a doubt, this is the most impressive and largest part of this outdoor oasis. Behold, the lap pool. This humongous pool measures 205 feet in length. That's over 40 feet longer than an Olympic-sized pool.
It's so long. It's the longest pool I've ever seen in my life.
Want to swim it? Hope you're up for the challenge.
Are you ready? Let's do it.
Halfway through, I realized just how big the pool is.
I was so out of breath. It was ridiculous. I'm no Olympic swimmer, that's for sure.
We're better off just coming back and finishing the mimosas.
You said it, sister. 5 minutes to get across? That's no walk in the park, because it's a long lap in a pool. Our next extreme pool takes us all the way to Brussels, Belgium. This is Nemo 33. The world's deepest man-made diving pool. Opened in 2004, Nemo 33 is one of the most popular diving facilities in the world, hosting about 25,000 divers per year. So what makes this pool such a diver's delight? It 100% mimics real deep-sea diving, like no other pool on Earth. How? By providing flat platforms at 16 feet and 32 feet, about the same depth scuba divers check their pressure in the ocean. But that's nothing compared to this. A huge circular pit that descends a whopping 108 feet. This man-made abyss has the depth of a 10-story building. It's so deep that new divers aren't even allowed to take the plunge. The only other place to go that deep, the actual ocean. And even more dive-tastic, the specially filtered and unchlorinated spring water. Kept at a cozy 86 degrees Fahrenheit. That's about 10 degrees warmer than popular ocean diving spots, allowing divers to swim without wetsuits. And Nemo doesn't stop there. Check out the underwater caves. Nemo's got 3 of them to spice up your dive and thrill your flippers. No other diving facility in the world has that. But the most eye-popping part of this cavernous pool isn't even underwater. That's because Nemo has a restaurant and bar just outside the bottom of the pool. Yep, you can eat, drink, and stay dry and still get a peek at the action through 7 underwater windows. Bottoms up. When we return, the largest indoor pool in the world that's as close as you can get to being in outer space.
I think what makes this pool not like any other pool in the world is that it has a space station in it.
And later, meet the owners of the country's poshest private backyard pool.
This is my dream pool. Yeah, but we dream big.
When Extreme Pools continues.